Hello everyone, Nasser here. Today we're diving deep into the world of learning. I'm going to share 10 incredible tips to enhance your learning effectively. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to become a learning machine. Let's do it. 1. Let's kick things off with the foundation of effective learning: setting clear goals. Think of it like a road trip. You need a destination. Having specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals will give your learning direction and purpose. Write those goals down, post them somewhere visible, and let them fuel your journey. 2. Picture this: a cluttered desk piled high with papers and dirty coffee mugs. Not exactly inspiring, right? Your environment plays a huge role in your ability to focus and absorb information. Find a quiet corner in your home or a cozy spot in a library where you can minimize distractions. Make sure you have good lighting, a comfortable chair, and all the study materials you need within arm's reach. Personalize it. Add some plants, motivational quotes, or anything that sparks joy and creativity. 3. We've all been there, staring at a textbook for hours, feeling like our brains are turning to mush. Enter the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. These short bursts of focused work followed by short breaks help to prevent burnout and keep your mind fresh. So ditch the marathon study sessions and embrace the power of the Pomodoro. 4. Let's talk about memory. Cramming information before a test only to forget it all afterward is common. Passive reading and highlighting just won't cut it. Engage in active recall. Test yourself regularly using flashcards, create practice questions, or explain concepts out loud. The act of retrieving information from memory strengthens neural connections. So, ditch passive learning and embrace the power of active recall. 5. Teaching something to someone else helps you understand it even better. When you teach, you're forced to organize your thoughts and clarify any confusion. Find a study buddy, a willing family member, or even just explain the concepts out loud to yourself. The act of teaching will solidify your knowledge and boost your confidence. 6. If you're tired of linear note-taking, it's time to embrace the power of mind maps. Start with a central theme or topic, then branch out with related ideas, keywords, and images. Mind maps turn abstract concepts into a visual feast, making it easier to remember and recall information. 7. Even the most dedicated learners need to hit the pause button sometimes. Taking regular breaks is a necessity. Step away from the books, get up, move around, and give your mind a chance to process all that amazing information. Even a short 5 to 10 minute break can make a world of difference in your focus and productivity. 8. Sticking to just one learning method can get boring. Diversify your learning materials. Explore a world of knowledge through videos, podcasts, documentaries, online courses, and interactive simulations. The more variety you incorporate into your learning, the more engaged and excited your brain will be. 9. Last-minute cram sessions aren't a recipe for long-term learning success. Create a realistic study schedule that fits into your life and stick to it as much as possible. Make learning a non-negotiable part of your routine and watch your knowledge and skills soar. 10. Take care of your most valuable asset, you. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, nourishing your body with healthy foods, and staying hydrated. Physical activity benefits your body and works wonders for your brain, improving focus, memory, and overall cognitive function. Prioritize your well-being, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to absorb and retain information. Well, there you have it, folks. 10 proven tips to master your learning. Embrace the journey, stay curious, and never stop exploring the vast world of knowledge. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing your boundaries.